On this math activity, you can use whatever strategy you need in order to solve these word problems, but you should be using RDW by drawing or showing your work in some way, writing a number sentence, and filling in the number. You will get extra points for writing your statement. Number 1 says the classroom library has 25 books about animals and 42 books about weather. How many books on weather and animals does the classroom library have all together? So again, you must do RDW, show your work. If you need to pause it to listen to it again, or pause it while you show your work, do that now. Number 2, Molly had 27 marbles. Her brother Ben had 33 marbles. Ben gave all of his marbles to Molly. How many marbles does Molly have now? Again, show your work in whatever strategy you would like. Quick tens, number bond, but you need to have a number sentence, and also fill in your answer. Write a statement if you are able to write a statement as well. Push pause if you need to show your work and figure out the answer. Number 3, Milo's reading homework took him 36 minutes to complete. His math homework took him 22 minutes to complete. How many minutes did it take him to complete his reading and math homework? Show your work and then write a statement if you're able to. Fill in your answer on the line. Number 4, Shane had 53 baseball cards at his house. His brother gave him 24 cards for his birthday. How many baseball cards did Shane have now? Draw to show your work, write your number sentence, and then write a statement if you're able to. Fill the answer in on the line of how many baseball cards Shane had now.